Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you one of the fastest and easiest ways to turn any text into a PDF, and the best part is, it only takes one single click. No apps, no complicated setup, and absolutely no software installation required. Let's get started. Imagine you have a long note, an important message, an email draft, or even a school assignment, and you need to send it as a PDF right now. Normally, you'd have to copy it into Word, adjust the formatting, save it manually, and then convert it. But with this method, you can skip all of that hassle. All you need to do is open your browser and go to a free online tool called Text-to-PDF. It works on phones, laptops, tablets, pretty much anything that has a browser. Once you're on the page, you'll see a big text box. Just paste your text inside. It could be one paragraph, an entire article, or even a book chapter. There's no limit. After pasting your text, look for the button that says, Convert to PDF, or Download PDF. Tap it once, and instantly your PDF is generated. No loading bar, no waiting, just one click and your file is ready to download. The PDF automatically formats your text so it's clean, readable, and professional. You can share it through email, WhatsApp, Google Drive, or upload it anywhere you need. This tool is perfect for students, freelancers, office workers, and anyone who needs to send documents quickly without wasting time. So the next time someone asks you to send a PDF, you won't need to panic or open a bunch of apps. Just paste your text, click once, and you're done. Try it yourself and see how much time you save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.